Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's your boy Terrence Carter, and I'm here back at it again with another video for y'all. As y'all can see, we got Mars in today's video. She's gonna let you guys know what we're gonna talk to you guys about today for the video.
Hello, people. Today we're gonna talk about our stock investing journey and like how we are right now. I know like a few months ago we did a video talking about like stock, how where we were and how we perceive it. But now like I have a different mindset on things, um, and we're gonna talk about that today.
So, also too, we're gonna talk to you guys about the retention journey as well. Um, we was actually talking a bit about like the changes that have been occurring, on this retention journey, and people can definitely like feel your energy, like real talk. So, of course, I got to give my shout outs before we do start today's video off. So, shout outs to everybody in the SR community. Shout outs to everybody in the NoFap community. Anybody that's on their investing journey. Shout outs to y'all. If this is your first time to the channel and you want to help the channel grow, subscribe, give the video a thumbs up, and leave your comments below. Now, the video topic really is about like your mindset, right? And when it comes down to, let's just say first, when it comes down to investing, how does that, shift your mindset? Whether it's how your mindset has changed towards yourself, whether it's how your mindset has changed towards like the way that you view like money, the way that you view this human experience. You know what I'm saying? So, um, first, I'm gonna let Mars share with y'all, how she's been able to shift her mindset when it comes down to learning the skill of investing, and when it comes down to learning the skill of just like learning this journey, like overall. You feel me? Everybody goes at their own pace, and everybody has like their own perception. So we're gonna let Mars talk about hers. Yes, sir.
So if you watched the last video, I know that you probably heard me say that back in 2020 was my first time investing in the stock market and how I lost 3K and like I just took a break from investing um, for some time until last year not January, August of last year. Um, I came in with the mentality of like, oh, if maybe if I have to sell, I might sell. Right now, I'm like, hold on to your stocks, don't sell. Definitely like invest more. Like what I do that's different from Terrence is that he invests daily. I kind of invest like monthly. Like so, I give myself a budget in which like I would want to how much I want to invest into my stock portfolio. Um, Definitely like I've been seeing like the ups and the downs, and even though I may want to sell here and there, I've been keeping it. I've been holding on to them, and I've seen a great difference. Even though like my portfolio is like growing slowly, but it's growing slowly but steady. And now that I know that if the price on a stock goes down, just to hold it and just buy more and think of it as a discount, which is what Terrence like brought to mind. Is just think of it as a discount. Think of it as you getting a pair of shoes for $120 versus $80. Which price are you gonna buy it at? Honestly speaking, I would rather buy it at the $80 price. So that's a different mentality that I have now. Before, like when I was investing in stocks, like I would buy the stock at a high price and I wasn't really fully aware of like the difference. Now I see that if a stock is like at $120 when it was like at a $300 price, then I'd rather buy the $120 one.
Now, how has stock investing like helped you with your how has it helped you first like change your mindset when it comes down to like your perception of money? Because like stock market investing isn't heavily taught, to people. How have you been able to like, in some way, shape, or form, like teach yourself, and how has it, like I said, like help you change your perception on like the way that you view money? Everybody views it different.
This time around is completely different. Like I said before, like I would go into my account and like take money out and just like use it for my own personal use. Now I don't even do that. I just let it grow. I think that like when it comes to investing in stocks, like I want to continue to let it grow and not just go into my account and not and just take it out. So it's something that I find valuable because it mm, means that I'm more like I'm not depending on what I'm making in the stock business. And like I work a 9 to 5, and
There's nothing wrong with that.
there's nothing wrong with that. But if I have some type of money that I can put aside into the stock market and just grow financially in the stock market as well as working a 9 to 5, I'm gonna do that. And I've been doing it, and I also have my own savings too. So it's like the fact that I'm able to like manage my money properly. Um, it means a lot, especially being that I'm thinking about like my future. Like I want to be financially stable. Um,
And I've been
and
learning this from her too. I ain't go for. I've been learning a lot from her.
and I'm still on a budget,
Nothing wrong with that.
but I still yeah, I'm still investing, I'm still saving, and I'm still taking care of like bills and things like that
Now,
while maintaining my 9 to 5.
now, what do you have to say to the woman that may be afraid to start their investing journey, or they feel like it's too hard, or they don't really got like no guidance on like investing? Like, what do you say to those women?
First, well, definitely invest. Don't hold yourself back. Because like when I first started, I didn't know what I was doing, but I kind of learned like the tricks around it.
There
Towards
is
the
no tricks
very
around investing.
no, I'm saying like when I first started, I was like the tricks. What I mean by tricks is like what I used to do, which I don't do anymore. Is like I would buy it at a low price, wait until it got to a high price, and I will sell it. But now, like the tricks is like you have people like Terrence who have like an ebook and like who teaches you about stocks. So I would like tell women to just get informed with stocks and like how it is and like what the downtrend versus the uptrend, right? Is as well as like knowing the discounted stocks. Um just believe in yourself. Like
Say that one time.
just believe in thyself,
That's
you
the
know.
key. That is the key.
Um and don't get freaked out if you see that like you have a stock and it's going down. Don't freak out. Just let it be. Let it be.
So I feel like the stock market it's been like it teaches you a lot about yourself, and it teaches you a lot about like how to control your emotions, right? So like she said, like some people when stocks go down, they'll be quick to panic, they'll be quick to like it's called panic sell, right? Or they'll sell it at the bottom, at the very very bottom when you're really supposed to be, buying more shares. So it's a lot that you learn throughout this journey. And as long as you continue to buy and hold and then continuously like learn this skill every day, you'll be fine. You know what I'm saying? And then like she said too, like she works a 9 to 5. So you got people out there that'll feel as if like, oh, I work a 9 to 5, I can't invest. You still can. And there's nothing wrong like it's nothing wrong with working. At least you got a job. Like think about that, right? Like at least you have a job, at least you have a source of income. You feel me? Because you're gonna have some people out there that's like, all right, I want to try entrepreneurship. Well, that's not no easier. That's not no
Yeah.
easier, but you know what I'm saying? It's just a consistent grind. It's a consistent like, nah, I got it. I got to stay true to this. I have to really do this. And your biggest like thing that you have to really focus on is like your discipline. Your discipline level. You know, if you stay disciplined and you stay committed and you stay true to this, you'll be fine. But if you feel as if like this shit ain't important, you're not gonna take it that serious, you know? So I'm glad that, you know what I'm saying, like people that are taking investing like serious, or at least you taking the time out to learn it. I'm glad that you're doing it because it's not taught to us for a reason. Like it's literally not taught to us for a reason, bro.
Yeah.
But that's super important for y'all. Um, anything?
Also,
Yeah, got
yeah. Also, like I'm only saying this because I'm one of these people, consumers, that I like to shop on Amazon.
You're creative,
right?
too. You're creative.
That too. But I like to shop on Amazon. I like my Target, and like Target and Amazon are some good stocks to buy. Like right now, I own both,
Feel me? Shit,
and it's
babe.
like I'm a
Shit.
consumer. I might as well
Stop saying
own
stop
one.
calling yourself a consumer, man. God. Listen, man. I get it. We all consume something at some point, but like what we naturally are creators. You feel me? We are creators. That's it. That's what we all are. We're creative,
Okay,
creative,
babe.
magnetic beings. My bad, though, babe. I'm sorry.
But yeah, I like to create
There we go.
and put a lot of my creations on Amazon and Target. And like those are two companies that I own that are really doing good and that is really steady. Like you don't have to sell because those companies are always growing.
I put your own game, yeah. Um, Nothing too. If for those out there, bro, like if you're in a relationship and you and your spouse don't like talk about investing, or y'all don't like have investing portfolios, I honestly feel like y'all should start talking about that, and y'all should start like opening up a portfolio, because like everybody's financial well-being in some way, shape, or form, bro. Like bro, let's keep it 1,000. We conditioned in some way, shape, or form. We all conditioned, bro. So your financial well-being has to be important, and you have to recondition your mind to like take advantage of opportunities, which is the stock market. You
Yep.
feel me? Um, like she said, like bro, the word that they use is consumer, right? Consumerism, literally. Amazon, Target, freaking Apple, Google, like it's all consumerism. But like you could be the owner. You could be the owner of the company. You could own the stock. The majority of the world is gonna consume this stuff anyway. So you might as well own the stock and make some type of money.
Especially you Apple users.
You feel me? So real talk. Um, and I know for myself, like I'm gonna just like it's not gonna be too long, but like my mindset shifted. The rest of the video not gonna be too long, but my mindset shifted like for the positive. Ever since I've started my investing journey and really like studying it, like studying this skill, studying, like whether it be TradingView or Yahoo Finance, um, even too like when I'm studying the markets, I be sending like screenshots to Mars. You feel me? I be letting her know, like, yo, babe, look at this, look at Tesla, look at Apple, like, cause it's just so much, bro. It's so much opportunity, and it's such a big difference that you learn to see, you know. Um, and then two, it teaches us both delayed gratification. That is, you're not taught that. That's something that's embedded. Like you have to force yourself to delay your gratification, but it's for the positive. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, that
So
brings a lot of discipline. Definitely brings a lot of discipline. Also money management, you know. Um, I know that there are people out here in this world who get 6K a month. Like they make 6K a month, and like out of that 6K, they are spending 5K and saving $1,000 or probably less. So definitely like delayed gratification, discipline, budgeting, um, as well as like you every month you have to take care of yourself. You got to do something nice for yourself too. So that's something that I've been trying to talk to this one about. But
I rather buy myself some stocks.
that's what makes him happy. So I can't even be mad at that. But yeah, definitely like delayed gratification, discipline, budgeting. What else? Money managing.
During the process.
During the process. Don't touch your stocks. even touch it.
Buy and hold. Real talk.
Buy and hold, exactly.
We definitely wanted to make this video for the channel. Thank you, babe, for being in the video. You know what I'm saying? And shout out to everybody on their journey. You know, if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe if you would like to. If you want to help us get the video on the algorithm, just leave a thumbs up and leave your comments below. Let us know what you guys thought about today's video. And yeah, let us know, like, have you started your investing journey yet? You know, if not, why haven't you started? What excuses are you using? You know, that you have to let go of. I'm saying, anything you want to say to them before we end the video?
Yes, also be sure to look out for his book, his ebook. He has 3 of them already. He has one on semen retention, right? And then he has 2 others when it comes to like investing in stocks that you should definitely buy and read.
Appreciate that, babe. Real talk. So, like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll definitely be creating more videos for y'all. I like this. I ain't going front. And once again, check out the ebooks. It will be in the description below. Yeah, that's it. It's your boy Terrence Carter.
Mars.
Yes, sir.